I see that I have a lot of feedback here, but nonetheless, good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101. And today we're going to talk about an agriculture business outside of Buenos Aires. And this stock has been outperforming the market. And unfortunately, we're catching this stock close to $10 per share. And the pre-market was around $8 and about 30 cents per share, and it's steadily growing up. In the past year, it's been over 100% an increase in profit and share. And this is a time, if any time, with the green indicator light in my back, that you should invest. All right. Good morning here. Good morning here. So let's get right into the stock. I'm lost for words this morning. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Nonetheless, let's get into the stock review. So the past year, this stock has been up at 94%, as you can tell here, ladies and gentlemen. And the past 3 months, it's been up 99%. In the past month, around 77%. In the past week, 41%. And today in the pre-market, we're looking around up 6%. So as you can tell, over the course of 5 years, it hasn't been doing that well because of the current conditions that we're in. In the past year, it's been up almost 100%. And it says here that Cresud engages in the production of the basic agriculture commodities. It operates through the agricultural business and urban properties and investment businesses segments. The agricultural business segment comprises of land transformation and sales. Okay, we're not going to read too much of that because we just want to get into the stock review and see how this stock can fatten our pockets. It was founded back in 1936. The market capitalization is at $938 million. The average volume is 286,000. The low for today was $7.41. And this is what I was referring to. In the pre-market, this stock was still exploding. Right now, it's around $8.90. And within the past 24 hours, it was down at a low at $7.41. Okay, so today's high is currently at $8.90. And the volume is roughly over 1 million. We see the 52-week high at $8.67, which has already been beat with $8.90. Okay, and we see great statistics here with the earnings. Okay, we see that there's really been no dips. Okay, we see from Q3 of 21. It moved laterally to Q4 of 21, but ever since then, in the Q1 and head into Q2 of 2022, has been increasing in share price. All right, let's move along. Now, according to Yahoo, for the short term, mid-term, and long term, we see that they have a performance prediction that this stock will be going up even more so. And it's kind of like the cat out of the bag, ladies and gentlemen. Some people are predicting that this stock will reach at least $11. Some are predicting $15, and others are predicting $21 per share. And we'll get into that as we're looking at the earnings per share here on Yahoo at $1.96, saying that they have a surplus of cash and that they're operating out of profit. This stock is undervalued. And this is the main thing that you guys always want to look for when you are investing. You want to look for undervalued stocks. Anytime you research and you see the financials, you see the way the business, you see the way the business is actually modeled, and then you have analysts, either from competing analysts, businesses, and also news sites state the same thing consistently. That sometimes can help with your analytics and your research. Now, sometimes, unfortunately, a lot of these analysts have special interests, but I've seen nothing but consistency throughout the competing markets with Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, what's some other ones out there that I Stock Invest. There's a lot of sources that I go to get the information, but for visual, man, I'm lost for words this morning. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, so as we're looking at this stock, I want you to look to the far right here. We see how this has buy and strong buy for some of the performance. Okay, strong buy and strong buy. As we're looking at the financials annually, essentially the only bad year according to the earnings was 2019. And of course, in this past year, the earnings has bounced slightly, but the revenue has been up at $42 billion. Now, going over to Market Watch, we're going to look at this as well. And we see, would it be year to date at 83.47%, or the past year at 96.82%, roughly 100%, or in the past 5 days at 32.62%, this stock has been doing well. And slightly different from Yahoo Finance, the EPS over here on Market Watch is over $2. So this stock is doing very, very well. The analyst ratings here, it was a buy, but this is only one analyst rating. So that's not really, great information. I would like at least 10 analysts stating that the rating on that is buy. All right, let's move along. Let's see what else do we have here. Also on WeBull, 100% strong buy. Okay, no hold, no underperform, and no sell. Their price predictions at $21.57 per share. Okay, $21.57 per share. If you're getting on this stock right now, we're looking around $8.90 per share. And this is how the company website looks. All right. Good morning to you all. Happy Monday. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. And no matter the time of the year, it's always a good time to invest. You just have to invest in the right stock. And this stock, time and time again, year to date, has been over 90-something%. And this is the time that you should get in before it goes up to 21.